Sven, if you sit on my keyboard and listen to that beeping sound long enough, it restarts my computer, which it just did. Was that your plan all along? Did you just wave at me? You just wait. You did it again. What is it you're trying to tell me? Oh! Are you joking? That's twice. Twice you've shut my computer down. And now you're scratching at the monitor. Please tell me what all this means. You want to get into the computer? Are you looking for... What are you looking for? Attention? You don't want me to sit at the computer anymore. You want to learn how to do the computer.